My name is Daquan Mitchell, and I'll be doing a peer critique on Miss Farley presentation on Stop Complaining by the Dr. Maya Angelou and Miss Jackson's speech on Martin Luther King, I Have a Dream, as well as my speech, Daquan Mitchell, on I Have a Dream. First and foremost, Miss Farley, I believe you displayed good knowledge on your speech. You had good eye contact. You had, good knowledge, like I said, on your speech. A couple of things that I also liked was you weren't monotone. You did have good vocal presence, good speech, good tone. One thing I also liked was your use of pause. You didn't run on, didn't display uncertainty. You had good eye contact. But one thing I feel like you could have worked on more was your use of hand presence. I think your speech would be a little more effective if you didn't use your hands as much because honestly, I got a bit distracted watching your hands as you were speaking. So I feel like if you practice your speech more in the mirror and you use less of your hands, then I can focus on more of what you're speaking of and speaking about than the use of your physical presentation. Ms. Jackson, your speech on I Have a Dream, one similar to mine, well, actually the same speech as mine, but one thing I feel you could have worked on better was your eye contact. Um, I know that you were reading the speech, and that's all well and good. But if you rehearse the speech a little better, and you can actually keep eye contact with your audience, that'll keep us more drawn into what you're talking about, as well as your noise background. I don't know what source of recording you used, but keep in mind for future speeches and future presentations, your background noise could affect your clarity of your speech, and that can also be a distraction of us not being able to stay drawn in to again what you're talking about. As far as my presentation on I Have a Dream, um, I feel that I could have used more of a command presence. Once again, I feel like I could have rehearsed better, met my parameters of staying within my time guideline. Because even with the previous two speeches that I critiqued on Miss Farley and Miss Jackson, neither of us, all three of us, neither of us stay within our time guidelines of 5 to 10 minutes. Miss Farley, her speech was 4 minutes and some change. Miss Jackson's speech was 3 minutes and some change, as well as my speech was 4 minutes and some change. So I feel like that's something that we all could have worked on. Like I said, and that can be used with rehearsing more and having our outline in front of us so we can know exactly what it is we want to speak on and keeping in mind the different parameters that we have to meet. Thank you.